Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore your GE Smart Home Appliances with GE Profile app, full guide step by step clearly. To restore your GE Smart Home Appliances using the GE Profile app, begin by opening the app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account. If you're not logged in, enter your credentials and sign in. Once you're in the app, navigate to the Settings section. Look for the option labeled Appliance Management. Tap on it to view all your connected appliances. Find the appliance you wish to restore. Select that specific appliance to access its settings. Scroll down until you see the Restore option. Tap on Restore to initiate the process. You may be prompted to confirm your choice. If so, confirm that you want to restore the appliance. The app will then communicate with the appliance for a few moments. Watch for a notification confirming the restoration is complete. Once restored, you may be asked to reconnect the appliance to your Wi-Fi network. Follow the on-screen instructions to reconnect. Ensure that your appliance is powered on and in range of your Wi-Fi signal. Once reconnected, check the appliance settings to verify everything is functioning correctly. If you experience any issues, revisit the GE Profile app settings. Look for additional troubleshooting options in the Help section. You have now successfully restored your GE Smart Home Appliance using the GE Profile app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.